what's going on, guys? All right, I'm going to give you an update on the rims, kind of where we're at right now. I'm not sure how all these videos are going to get cut together because there was a lot of the painting video and all that, so I'm not sure how that's all going to turn out. So let's go ahead and take a look at these guys here. All right, so I've done quite a few coats off camera, but man, these look so good. Oh, I'm so excited to get these on the car. So all three of the rims that had minor damage turned out really well. You can't even really notice any of the damage unless you specifically look for it, like right here. You know, you can barely see it. That's not going to bother me. This was the worst rim right here. As you can see, it's still kind of noticeable, but you know what? I don't really care. And I'm thinking I might just put this rim on the back passenger side rear. And then there's this one. Turned out really well. So I'm going to go ahead and actually pull the cards just so you guys get a better look of how these actually look. All right. So there we go. That looks so good. I got some clean up the tires a little bit. Got quite a bit of the dust, but not actually painted on the tire itself. That's just some of the dust from the actual spray paint. So all in all, I am super happy with how these turned out. So I don't think the paint is ready. I don't think it's fully cured because I just did a coat this morning. So what I'm thinking about doing, because I have to drop, let's see, got to drop this guy. Let's zoom out. Shoot. Sorry. Hey, what's up, guys? Dan here. In the process of editing this video, I realized that some of the footage was actually missing. So I just have to cut it together really weird. It's going to jump from me talking about the rims to repairing the exhaust. So we're just going to jump right into that and continue on. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mix some of this up and just go ahead and glob it on there. Get it all nice and cleaned up, or I don't know, repaired, I guess. And that way it can dry. It says it sets in about an hour. It takes 24 hours for the full cure. So, excuse me, I figure I might as well get that going, get it drying, and then jump into cleaning and getting everything ready to start doing the swap. Got my green Scotch-Brite. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean up the area. All right, so we put it on there. Now we're just gonna let it sit. A lot of excess. So what I went ahead and did, since all the welds looked pretty questionable, I just went ahead and slapped it around all the welds that were on there. I figured if not, it was just gonna dry in the tube and be wasted anyways. So might as well just reinforce some of them welds that look questionable. So, all right, while that's drying, I'm going to move it over here, get it out of the way, and start cleaning it up to get my wife's car in here to do the swap. All right.